Craig and Lori.
Craig and Lori.
Okay, great. And you've got this. What is this?
This is a tab.
Tab. T-A-B. Okay.
Yeah, T&B.
Right.
And it's made out of
@ sign B.
@ sign, yeah.
@ sign, yeah.
Get
your punctuation right here.
Sorry, man. Out of
yeah.
Out of Ohio by Little Guy.
Yeah, well, nuCamp now, right? nuCamp has taken them over.
Oh, they have?
Or they? I think they originally made it. Anyway.
Oh, you know what? I just saw that. Yeah, because actually the design is from Germany, and they bought it from somebody in Germany. So.
Okay, so let me hold on. I got to do this thing right. This will be
Look, come on,
give me the
Cosmo.
Cosmo, good.
Came off, but it says I go where I'm. Oh no.
Yeah, Toad. Okay, I got it. Okay, great. So you don't have the clamshell in the back. You've got the interior.
It's got 5 different floor plans.
Yep.
And this is going to be embarrassing. It's a little dirty.
Oh, it's okay, you know.
Everything fell down.
Yeah, okay. So it's traveled, yeah. So you have a high efficiency kitchen, a refrigerator.
Yep.
This is electric or propane?
Both.
Both. Okay, great.
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning, yeah, nice. TV. Okay, TV.
Which we don't
Come
need
on,
TV.
take that out of there. Get that
need
rid of that. Ah, here's a little playpen here, huh? Yeah. Okay, very nice.
And then obviously
ceiling fan, storage in the back. Yeah, what's under the bed? Storage?
Well, you know, it comes up to a dining room table.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then the back of that flips up and it becomes a couch. But you know, once it's set up, it's not hard, but
who does it? Nobody does it. Everybody leaves it down, right?
Exactly.
And I sometimes I leave mine down all day. So I had to make this big decision, you know. I had to decide if I was going to be inside of a small trailer or bite the bullet and be outdoors all the time, or, you know, which is what I did, right? I have a tiny bedroom. Actually, it's a good-sized bedroom, but I have a huge kitchen, which is unlimited because it's outside, and the living room, right? So you went the other route. Are you happy with this?
I would do it your way. I would do it where the kitchen's outside, yeah.
And why?
Because when we cook, it's more of a barbecuing thing.
Yeah.
And then to have the kitchen out on that clamshell and then come over to the charcoal grill and all that. Yeah. And when we travel, I'm embarrassed to say, we like to go find great restaurants.
Yeah, well, I'm not above that.
You know, so it's like, well, we'll kind of camp, you know.
Well, you cook now and then, yeah.
But for the most part, you know, it would have been better to have the kitchen outside.
Cooking and eating is a little close inside, or?
Yeah, but it can be kind of fun.
Oh, well, in crappy weather, it could be great, right? Yeah. I mean, come and visit me when it's pouring rain, and we'll trade trailers for a few hours. Yeah, and you got the front window, which is very nice. Good, right? It's all about the windows. Yeah. It really is. And side windows, good ventilation. Good ventilation.
Oh, yeah, the fan is super.
You know how many gallons your water tank is?
I don't.
You don't? Okay. You don't know how big the battery is, right? No? No? Okay. And the propane tank, where's that? Okay. Right, you got to get the technical details here, you know. I know. Okay, so it's up front.
I'm getting, I've come across a real pro here. I'm not used to
You're a happy camper.
You know? Yeah.
So let's just see what that is.
A regular
10 or 20? Yeah, you got that looks like a 20-pounder. Yeah. Okay, good. That'll really run a long time. You can run your refrigerator on it.
But my battery's not even in there.
Okay, and you have a turlet in here? No. Bathroom? No bathroom. Okay. Okay, so good.
There's another floor plan with a toilet, but
yeah, they're really tiny.
If you get one thing, you don't get the other.
Yeah, no, they're really tiny. I didn't want to be bothered with all that shit, to put it plainly. I didn't want to drive it around.
Oh, it's crappy.
Yeah. It's good. And
after working somewhere for 30 years, I left.
Yeah.
And I went out west for 6 weeks.
Yeah.
And that was free. And that's why I really bought it, but that was 6 years ago. And now we went up to Maine for a week and a half.
Bar Harbor?
Yeah.
Bar Harbor. Yeah, we were up there. We had lobster rolls, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Yeah. 23. That was unbelievable, man. We really did great up there. Yeah. I love that place. Yeah. Good. So it's a vacation vehicle. You go away with it. Yeah. Weekends.
It also serves as like a guest bed at home.
Oh, and relatives? Yeah. You don't want them to stay too long. Put them in a trailer.
Right, yeah. They get the message.
Good. You got the bicycles. Good. Well, you got all the right gear. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Like 14.
Towing 14?
Actually, I shouldn't. Yes. Okay. On a recent trip to Maine, we got 14, and that was everything. That was local stuff.
Combined,
Combined, yeah.
Well,
but
the
this
local
thing's a beast.
Yeah, this is what, a 6-cylinder?
This is an 8.
Oh, 8. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah. You're gonna leave me in the dust on the hills, but
that's okay.
yeah, that's good. Yeah,
I don't need to.
Yeah, mine's a 4-cylinder, and I've got, on the way out here, we got 22.
Wow.
It depends what you're getting, you know, coming out here right over the George Washington Bridge and the Cross Bronx Expressway. Oh my God, horrifying.
Yeah.
But, and how long are you here for?
Just a weekend. We came in late last night,
Mm-hmm.
and we're gonna go back tomorrow.
Well, the beach is spectacular. I mean, just take off your shoes and go for